How to connect Pinterest to Shopify. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video will show you exactly how to do so the official way. So let's just go and get to it. First, you are going to log into your Shopify admin, and then from here you simply just want to go to your Shopify app store. To do so, you simply just click on the apps section, click on all recommended apps, and click on Shopify App Store. Now for me, I can actually find it from here. As you can see, it is called Pinterest, the app that we need to install. If you don't see it here, however, you can just click on Shopify App Store and search for it in here. Just go to the top, go Pinterest, you should be able to find it. So once you find the official Pinterest app, you simply just want to click on install, and you are going to click on install one more time. And the last step now for you to do to connect Shopify with Pinterest is just click on connect Pinterest account. This is going to obviously prompt you to log into Pinterest with your account. If you don't have one, you can just click on sign up for Pinterest. And this is going to finalize the connection between Pinterest and Shopify. So again, just click on connect Pinterest account. After you enter your details, it's going to ask you to authorize the app. You simply just want to click on give access. And there you have it. Now your Pinterest account is connected to Shopify. Now for me, because I am based in the UAE, there's some extra steps that I need to take. So for your case, it really just going to depend on your location. It's either going to work right away and you don't need to do anything extra, or you are going to get a similar message. In that case, you will need to obviously follow along with the message. I can't show you how to do that because each region is going to have different things that you will need to do with it, basically. But anyways, this is pretty much how to connect Pinterest to Shopify. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.